Here is my soap collection for my car. Here is 3 different foam lengths. This is good and cheap. Sam's little bit more expensive is good too. And Auto Bright from England is expensive and good. Here we have pack with clay. Useful in spring, or useful anyway if you want to make your metallic better. My favorite soap, Maguire's car shampoo, like this. Maguire's next generation car wash, a half deciliter on 4 liter water. The car will never be more shiny after using that. It's fantastic. Another good shampoo, this Turtle Wax is not so old, it's new on market, or maybe 1 year or 2 years, and it's very good shampoo too. So you can use from 100 milliliter to 300 milliliter, depend on how dirty your car is. Very good. Turtle Wax, a good product. Foam Mr. Pink, smells strawberry. Chemical Guys, this is nice, I like it. I used it yesterday when I washed my car. Begin with this, make foam for 4 or 5 minutes before I wash off foam and begin to use shampoo. And after my shampoo yesterday was this Maguire's, like I got today, a new bottle Maguire's and some shampoo here from Glasser and little bit different things. And my washer pressure is this from Nilfisk, very nice, electric. I use it now for 2 seasons, for 2 years, and it's fantastic. 150, and it say much water, and it deliver much water. It's a strong and good machine. 10 meter here, who sit on this and lie on the ground. It's not like a snake. You don't get problem because it's heavy wires in here. It's heavy, so it's lie on ground. And thanks God for that. I had washer pressure before who was like a snake. It was like nightmare every time you want to wash because this turn around 360 times. So this is perfect. Good machine. Nilfisk is Danish company, 100 years old. About 100 years old. So it's good. Some meter here for your electric power. The gun, strong material. This I bought this only for using for car, this one, because when you buy this machine you get 2 different and they are so strong that it's not good to use on your car. This is made for car wash, this. So this is good. It comes with like two hair, this and this. This is extremely powerful. Yeah. Good machine. More than enough for washing car. Here it's much foam soap. My favorite is here. I think this is my favorite. It's 5 liter. It's Auto Bright Magic Foam. This is so heavy, much soap. It's like a mountain of soap, and it's extremely good. 1 deciliter of this, I can tell you that you will have party. Magic Foam pre-wash snow foam. Yes, little bit expensive, but oh my god, you have it for many years, because if you use 1 deciliter soap, you have 50 wash air on 5 liters. So yeah, fantastic. This is fantastic. One of my favorite, maybe my favorite. This is not good at all. Autoglym, not for foam. So this I will use like a car shampoo, to have straight in water and wash my car like a shampoo. I try many times to use it in foam gun, foam lens, but it's not good, and many people say like that. This is fantastic good. Car plan, cheap, smell good, strong, very nice. Fantastic. Here we have Bulletproof. I don't know what I can say about it. Use it not so much. Wash King. It's okay. Nothing more to say. But something who is much better than Wash King is this Narta. This is good. This is 5 liter. Use a deciliter of Narta and you will have very, very much party. And it clean your car good. Here again from Chemical Guys. Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. Big. I think it's 3 liter or something. Smell good. Very nice. It's soap for much money. Soap for much money here. Really. So it's my collection of soaps. And my fantastic machine. So I hope this machine will work for some years. I hope, but I'm not sure about it. On this machine you cannot change oil, you cannot do it yourself. But it's my second season now. I hope it will work for some more years. It's very nice. Good price now too on this. Strong and good. Deliver much water. It's necessary. Much water when you wash cars.